Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing about the currency topic. In this, basically, we have discussed lots of things. Basically, in this, we are up to that software basically that Mumbai city equal to converted into one human group basically, and that human group basically have set of softwares basically. Software means in very simple language, if we say basically each and every human body basically data basically are connected with some of the software company, right? Some of the software company the data basically are connected. So by default, here basically we are discussing that Mumbai blood cells basically is there basically, and Mumbai blood cells basically is connected with set of groups, and the set of groups body energy basically are connected with that particular person. Like this basically the chain system is there. Then one person told that basically each and every people basically, for example, Andheri blood cells is there, right? Then he told that yes, Andheri blood cells is there. So Andheri blood cells is basically having the Andheri software. Then he told that yes, Andheri software is having. Then one person told that basically Vadodara blood cells is there, right? So Vadodara blood cells is equal to that person is going his Vadodara blood cells. Yeah, basically he is Vadodara blood cells. So in Vadodara basically how many areas are there? There are Gotri, Gorua, then Old Badra Road, Manjalpur, then Mujmoda, Bhil, Bhaili. Like this, basically many areas are there. Yeah? That means you want to say one Vadodara blood cells is having multiple blood cells. That basically area blood cells. For you want to say that that person which is going, he is Manjalpur blood cells. That person which is going, he is Old Padra Road blood cells. That person which is going, he is Alkapuri blood cells. That person which is going, that is Gotri blood cells. That person which is going, that is Gorwa blood cells. So you want to say that. Then he told that basically that person is going, that is Old Badra Road blood cells. Then he told that that means you want to say that Alkapuri name blood software is also there. Alkapuri software like this. Then he told that yes, basically Alkapuri software is also basically there. That means you want to say Bhaili software is also there. That means you want to say that Vadodara software is also there. That means you want to say Gorwa software is also there. That means you want to say Gotri software is also there. That means you want to say Gotri blood cells is also there. Yes, exactly basically. So this only basically I want to say. So like this he told that basically each and every basically areas are divided so that basically it becomes very easy to understand the problem basically where exactly basically the problem was. His person's basically joint was pain was having, so he basically was having the joint pain. Then how basically the doctor basically tracked each and everything basically, and then basically they repaired that hand joint pain also basically. So like this basically he told that basically for example one person is having uh, uh, some kidney problem, or basically assume that some head problem is there. So they basically diagnose that basically how many bloods basically are connected with head, how many bloods are connected with kidney, how many bloods are connected with hand, how many bloods are connected with leg. Like this each and every data basically they calculated, and they basically got the information that this area basically is connected with these blood cells, and that area basically was having the some issue. So that's why basically everybody says that basically every time basically I say that physical checking basically is must basically. Alkapuri blood cells is there, that is there, right? Report is there, but that are virtual basically. Alkapuri area is physically. Alkapuri area basically contains assume that 5,000 buildings, 7,000 buildings. So Alkapuri blood cells basically is there, which is having 5,000 to 6,000 buildings. So that basically comes into the sub blood cells. So Alkapuri blood cells, Alkapuri man is there, Alkapuri sub blood cells is there, Alkapuri data is there, and Alkapuri software company is also there. Alkapuri name software company is also there. Then he told that yes, basically Alkapuri name software company is also there, and that basically name can be anything basically. name basically of the software, Alkapuri area software company, name can be anything. So like this basically each and every things basically are categorized, and each and every things basically are chained also basically you can say. But that is basically chained means without permission basically you can't enter the chain basically process. It's basically not from now basically, but it's very old also. You can't enter the area basically. Like this he told that basically how very it's very dangerously. So basically you want to say that India blood cells is there, so India blood cells basically handling one doctor is also there. Then I told that yes, basically you are exactly correct. That means you want to say that Saudi blood cells is there, so Saudi blood cells handling one person is there, and that person is basically equal to Saudi blood cells, and that Saudi blood cells, that person basically is handled by one doctor. Basically, you want to say that. Then he told that yes, basically. So you want to say that USA name blood cells is there, and that person which is going there, that is USA man basically, man or girl basically, whoever basically. That person which is going, that is USA. So you want to say that one person basically is having USA, entire USA blood cells. Yes, that only basically I want to say. So you want to say that USA doctor is also there. USA one, if one USA person is there, that means basically the USA doctor is also there. Yes, basically that basically contains is allocated by one doctor also basically. That USA person basically is allocated to one person also basically. So one person actually literally told that basically everybody basically the blood cells basically are allocated to men only, or basically women also basically are there, and the other parties are also there basically. Then he told that basically that basically need to check here basically, because it's very difficult to uh, uh, it's very difficult to manage the thing also basically. Then he told that basically ladies basically can have the basically have this type of name basically. For example, ladies blood cells equal to Alkapuri blood cells. Then one person told that basically they basically are having periods na basically. So that time basically it might create problem. Then also basically one lady basically was sitting in universe basically. She told that basically no, basically we will also create one blood cells basically, but mostly basically all the blood cells basically are allocated to the men only basically. Then he told that basically okay, let me basically, then they basically created their team in the universe basically, and they told that basically we will generate Alkapuri blood cells equal to this lady blood cells. Like this basically the process basically started from universe. So they told that basically yes, basically we will do like this. Basically things are also basically there, and these all basically are done basically. Like this basically he told that basically you want to say Alkapuri blood cells is there, Vadodara blood cells is there, Old Badra Road blood cells is there, and everything is basically created. That means you want to say each and every blood cells basically have disease, medicines are also there. Then you thought yes, basically each and everything basically, that means each and everything basically are connected with the software company. Disease software company is also there, disease sorry medicine software companies also there. Yes, basically medicine software companies there, disease software companies there. Like this basically each and every things basically are digitally connected. So he told that basically how many software company basically are connected with the Vadodara land basically. He told that basically one person is connected with Vadodara blood cells, so he is Vadodara basically. He is basically having on the name of he on the name of him, and the on the name of his blood cells basically one software company is there basically. That is the software company basically which is having the Vadodara blood cells information basically, and how basically they are handling that basically the software company know basically. Then he told that okay, so you want to say that Vadodara blood cells is also there, and that basically company which is that is handling the Vadodara blood cells. Then he told that basically this is also connected with the currency. Yes, basically this is also basically connected with the currencies only. So in next video basically we are going to see this only basically what actually the cities blood cells are there, and in next video we are going to see little bit more detail of this.